Hello everyone and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Art Studio. Today I will be demonstrating a mindful art activity for kids called tie-dyed inspired butterflies. You will only need a few basic materials to enjoy this art activity with your kids. So here are the materials you will need to get started. First off is tissue paper cut into squares. Next is clothespins, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, a paintbrush, a makeup sponge to apply the paint, craft acrylic paint, and lastly, school glue. So to begin, I have clipped down my tissue paper to my placemat, and this will help hold it in place while we paint. And also then you can paint the clothespins easier because they are attached down. Okay, so let's get started. So you want some green? You want to do it? Okay, let's pour it onto the cardboard. And maybe we'll do some pink. Can you squeeze? Squeeze. Good.
Done.
Done. And we'll do some yellow.
And then this, Mama.
That's pink.
Yeah, but yellow.
And yellow.
And then that's big.
Wonderful, yeah. So, yeah, that's pink.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use our sponge and then we're gonna stamp it. Very nice. Good.
And more small, Mama. And then yellow one.
Yellow. Great. Wow, that's really pretty.
And more.
More.
Big.
Pink? Can Mom do some as well?
Yeah. This one was.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, the next one we'll do some blue. Wow, that looks really...
Done.
Oh, you're done. Okay. Should Mommy continue?
No, done.
You're done? Okay. Okay, so we'll add some blue. Okay. You can squeeze it right here. Let's see. Oh, wow.
No.
That's enough for now.
No.
Okay.
Eat.
So why don't you use this one and go like that? Oh, wow. It's really nice. Your favorite color is blue?
Done.
That looks beautiful.
Done blue.
You're done with the blue?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we have a little bit more to use up. Did you want to do some more?
No, on this.
You want to use the paintbrush?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't we paint our clothespins?
No, this.
You want to paint there? Okay. Oops.
Done. Done, Mama.
All done?
Yeah.
So here I am just pouring some of my craft paint onto my tissue paper. creating a fun design. You can then use your paintbrush to mix the paint and blend and swirl it all around. I like to get around the edges as well. And I will leave the center because I am going to fold it over. So just gently lift it and be mindful of the tissue paper. It is quite delicate. And just gently fold it over, press it down very delicately. And then slowly pull it apart. And this is something you can't rush, so just being very mindful as the tissue paper is quite delicate. But once you pull it apart, you will have a very beautiful, almost marbleized or tie-dyed effect. And that looks really pretty. Now you will allow this to dry completely before we start to put our butterflies together. So for my second one, I will again apply my acrylic paint. Just randomly all over. You can have fun here, be creative. And I will use the makeup sponge. And I put some water on this just to dampen the sponge. And then you can blend the paint, swirl it, just have fun creating a beautiful piece of art. And again, just be mindful, the tissue paper is delicate. So once it's fully covered with the paint, it can rip easily. Then you can also sponge your clothespins to decorate those. And there you go. Now I will wait for all the squares to dry, and then I will begin the next step. So here are the finished butterflies. And I think they turned out really beautiful. I made a few different sizes. This little guy here is really cute. And I will just add the finishing touch, a little happy face. And there you have it. Some beautiful spring butterflies. So lastly, I have hung my fun and colorful butterflies on a branch that I found. I used leftover jewelry wire that I had around my home, but you can use string, yarn, or fishing line to hang your butterflies, as I have done here, or you can also hang them in your window. I hope you are all inspired by this mindful art activity. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and join the Mindful Willow group on Facebook. I have included the link in the description below. The creative light in me honors the creative light in all of you. Namaste.